This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics ready so joining is frictionless. Make sure the server version and any mods match your friend's clients. Mismatches are the top barrier. Once done, set up whitelist and clear rules so you avoid griefing. Then craft a concise invite message with IP, port, brief rules, and expected playtimes. This reduces back and forth. Finally, give 2 join options, direct IP and a one-click invite or server listing, so people can hop in immediately. Next, make the server feel worth joining by removing uncertainty and offering immediate value. You want a welcoming spawn, a starter kit, and a short tour so new players aren't lost. That encourages retention. Then schedule recurring events or goals, build nights, minigames, or cooperative quests, because people join to play together. Also designate greeters and a moderator or guide. Having a person to ask reduces confusion and keeps the vibe friendly. This structure turns first-time visitors into regulars. To finish, actively onboard and resolve issues so players stick around. After someone joins, follow up with a welcome message, quick server guide, and ask for feedback to improve their next visit. If problems appear, check the usual suspects: client-server version mismatch, firewall or port forwarding, whitelist settings, and plugin errors. These are easy to fix once identified. If things still fail, share server logs and step-by-step rejoin instructions, and provide a backup address or temporary realm so players can reconnect quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.